Hello and welcome. In this video we will see how to uninstall dual boot completely and safely from your PC. As you have noticed, if you have watched my previous video, I have showed you how to install Android on PC. If you have installed Ubuntu, if you have installed Kali, you can also remove them by this method. So follow whole video, follow the commands which I run. I will give the commands in description. You can see and verify from there if you are using correct command or not. And thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to my channel. Check other contents also and absolutely like the video.
So now what you will have to do is you have to perform two steps. First is deleting the OS partition and second is deleting the GRUB bootloader. So let's start. Click on start button, type in disk and this option will come up, create and format hard disk partition. We will have to open it and it will take some time to load depending upon your PC. And here you can see my partitions have been loaded, and now I will click on Prime OS, which is my secondary OS, and I want to remove this. So after clicking on Prime OS, I will right click on Prime OS and delete the volume. It will show a warning like this and I will click on yes. So now you can see 20 GB partition is unallocated, so I will extend my existing partition of 712 GB and now it will become 732 GB after extending. So after extending, we will leave the disk management and we will go into command prompt. So how to go to it? Click on start button, type in cmd and run as administrator. So now we will run some commands to delete the GRUB partition, and let's type in diskpart first command and hit enter. It will load diskpart. And the second command is list disk, hit enter. Sorry, I forgot to hit enter. Okay, hit enter now, and now it will give disk 0. I will select disk 0 by typing in select space disk space 0, and now my disk 0 is selected. So I will search for volumes in it. So type in list space volume, and these are the volumes here, and you will have to find the system volume inside your disk. So I will search for system. You can see here that volume 5, and at the last you can see info is system. So I will have to mount the system partition so as to delete the GRUB bootloader. So I will select volume and my system volume is 5. So you can see this that my system volume is 5. So I will type in 5. You will have to type in your system volume. So now I will assign a letter Z to it. As you can see, assign letter equal to Z, and now you can see Z letter has been assigned. So after it, what you will have to do is go to my computer. You can see here local disk Z has been created, but we can't go inside because on some PC there will be permission problem. So you don't have to go inside. Click on close, and now I will type in here back exit. So it will exit the disk part, and I will type in Z:2 enter the disk partition, disk of system disk partition. I'm sorry for that, and type in dir to check which folders are in it, and you can see UEFI folder is here. So I will type in cd, that is change directory, and enter UEFI, and I will type dir again so as to see the files inside. And you can see here Kali and Ubuntu files are here, and I want to delete this because I have first installed Ubuntu and then Kali. So I will delete it by rmdir space /s and typing the bootloader, the GRUB bootloader which I want to delete. So I will first delete Kali and type in rmdir /s and Ubuntu. I will delete both. You will have to delete whichever you want. And now just type in exit to exit the command prompt, and Now what you will have to do is just restart your PC and it will be all fine. Dual boot will be completely removed. And thanks for watching. Like the video, check other contents also, and once again thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.